So you want to design an ebook cover. Let's say you are an online marketer and you have some book, or maybe you're doing some ebook design for some of your clients. Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can design ebooks in an easy, faster way for your clients or for your business or for your own sake. All right. So if you haven't logged or you don't have an account in Canva, Canva is free for anybody to use outside there. I'm going to drop a link in the description below. You can just click on that link and freely you can join Canva today and start using Canva to design your ebooks or any design you want outside there for your business, for your online business, or for your entrepreneurship journey. If you click onto that link, you're going to be brought into this page where you can, of course, join Canva using signing up with Google or Facebook, or just using your email addresses. All right, so let's get started how to design ebooks covers using Canva. All right, so the first thing we do is you come here into search button and then you say ebook design. Say ebook, so I'm design an ebook cover. So I'm going to type the ebook, and then of course it's going to give me suggestions, of course, the right dimension. So just click on just click on that, and then Canva does a great job. It's going to give you all the available designs they have. They already have pre-made, free, beautifully done ebook covers that you just choose and draw inspiration from. All right, so once I'm here, I can come here and choose, let's say for example my background is black, so I can just come and choose black because I want a black background for my ebook, and then it's going to give me all these different free template ebook covers to choose from. So I think I love this. I'm going to choose that. It loads for me on this new window, and then just like that I am already 50% into designing my ebook cover. All right, so I'm going to take you how to try and edit this in a very easy to do way. Now, if for example you reach here and you just don't want this cover, you can still choose from other covers here. So here you can still scroll down and choose other covers. Okay, if you don't feel that cover, you can just come here and choose other ebook covers. Just scroll down until you get the ones that you think resonates with what you want, and then you pick that. All right, so let's try and edit this. So let's say or in fact, if I don't, let's say we are doing some online business. So let's say we are doing some online business. So type your online business, and then it's going to give me the ebook covers that are related to my online business. Okay, it doesn't have that. Let's say marketing. Digital marketing. Okay, awesome. So it has given me these options, which doesn't look like digital marketing. All right, so if it doesn't gives me these options, let me see, do you have anything on marketing? Let's try this last one. If it doesn't, then you just go with it. So it doesn't give me, so let's try and edit this. So of course, if it's marketing, definitely I am not going to use this image, so I'm going to use another image here. So I come here and then I say marketing. Let's see the images that it brings. Awesome. So now it doesn't have the dimensions that I want. Let's see what it brings. Now for the sake of this video, let's just pick either, so that we don't spend a lot of time going through this. So let's say I'm going to use that. Awesome. Okay, so I'm just going to delete the previous video there, and then okay, well, I want a different picture, so just for love, so just type on love there, and then it gives me these options. So then I can just pick on this, clicking on that, and then I'm just going to reshape this so that it fits what I want here, like that. So I'm just clicking on these pointers and then dragging it to fit my book here. So yeah, I love that image for love. And then let's say I want to edit this to a different title. So let's see. So this is my ebook cover. So again, you just click on something like this, then you drag it the way you want or however you want it, and then it just gives you what you want. So let's give my book a title. So it's going to be 5 love languages. Okay, hope some of you have heard about that book. So now as you can see, let me just edit that a bit. Okay, so let me just get that right. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight this. I want this text to fill this place, so I'm just going to highlight that, and then I give it something. So you can either click on this and give it a different font. Let's see. So okay, that is not coming out so well, so I'm just going to use another text design. So let's come here, then I can just pick a text design here. Let's say I want to use that, so I can just come here and then I highlight and there's a 5. Yep, so now let's look at how this is going to come up. Then I just say love, then I can add another one because I want them to be 3. So my book is titled 5 Love Languages like that. So I'm going to highlight this, and I want to reduce the size of this word. So I just come here and then I say I want it to be 21 like that. Or let me add that, let me say that 2. Okay, so 5 love languages, then I can minimize that like that. So this is love, I'm going to make sure love is there, then 5. All right, so okay, and then the author is here, so you can always just do this. Let's say you don't want that, you can just highlight it, then click, press on your delete button on your PC, and then let's say I want to do the title with a different font altogether. So you can just pick anything here. Let's say I want I'm going to use for the author, let's see, okay, let me try, is that okay? Let me try something a bit more conservative. Let's try white. Okay, is it coming? Okay, there you go. So I just don't want this part, so I was going to delete that part, and then the author here is me. So now I'm writing. So then I'm going to minimize this because I want to put it at the bottom of my text of my ebook there, like that. And then I just come here, I just drag it down. So that is the author. So 5 love languages, Manuel Lyle, something like that. And voila, you have your email. Now you can even change this color. Let's say you don't want this color here, so you can come here and say, maybe I don't want that black color, so you can just come here. So I've just come here, click on that, highlight, then you see here color, come on color here, then say I want red. Boom, you have red. Does it look so nice? Let's give it another color. Black looks nice. Let's try white. Let's try green. Black will do it, but that's it. If you want to change the color here, just so now let's say you want to change the color of this word, so just come here, highlight it. I want to change the color of this word, so I highlight it like that. Then I come here, you see here there's this little A text color there, you click on that. Then let's say I want it to be red or black. Okay, yeah, so that's how you change the color. You can change whatever color you like. Let's leave it at black. Okay, now if you can highlight this again, you can bold it, make it bold. You can change the color, you can change the font size, you can change the design. Now it's in this design, I can't even spell that, but you can change it here. You can say I don't like that design, maybe I like Andika, so you put it like that. Or maybe you don't like that Andika, you can just browse and see which design you want, Arimo, something like that, and then it just gives you that. So if you want to change anything around these words, just click on them like that. Let's say I want to tilt this language so that just highlight on that, then I tilt it, maybe just to bring some fun to it also, it doesn't become boring like that. So let's say I want to also change the font size. Just click on that, then I change the font size to say 24, like that. Okay, so again, if I want to give it a different text, I just click on that. I can make it bold. I can give it a different design there. I can also put it in the middle like that. So at the end or in the middle like that in the middle. All right, so that's pretty much it about this video. Let's make it short so that you understand some of the nitty-gritties about editing. And now in the next video, we're going to do more editing around Canva for your own good. You're going to look in how to positioning and how to do transparency on your Canva account. All right, so if you got some value like this video, please hit the subscribe button so that I can get you may get to know of our future videos. Again, I have a link in the description below for you to join Canva. It is free. Thank you and see you in the next video.